So let's create the windows. Just simply bring out the rectangle and zoom in here. Just click and input the dimensions. Let's give it a 5 feet. Press tab and give it the thickness of the wall, which is 9 inches. Press enter. Zoom in here. So let's select the object and explode it. Then select offset. Let's give it an offset distance of 1 inch. Press enter. Select, offset it inward. Offset, enter. So we'll also offset this. This is another way to offset. You can select what you want to offset at first, and then before you select the offset command. So now it will just ask you for offset distance, and you, with the help of the object snap, if your object snap include midpoint, then you can just come here and it will show you this as the mid of the line, and just press and just click. Yes, this is where I want it. Sorry, that was my mistake. Let's try it again. You select the object, click on the offset, and then you select from the specify the distance from the origin of the object, drag, and with the help of the object snap, it will show us the midpoint of the line, which is here, and click and tap enter. You need to trim this excess. So you remember we changed our trim to extend, so we need to come back to this arrow and bring it back to trim, and press enter, and then zoom in and trim off this edge and trim off this excess line, not edge. So next, what we need to create again is the door. You can just come to the layers and select the layer we created for the door, and also we'll bring the rectangle, and let's have a box of 3 inches and by 3 feet. Press enter. Let's have another box, and this time let's have it for 3 inches by 9 inches, and press enter. So come to this arc, select this that says center start end, and select this as our center, here as our start point, and here as our end point, and there we have it. So now we need to move this, with the help of the objects. Now you select here as your base point, just move it here to this edge, and we also need to copy it again. So just select and bring out the copy command, select as the base point as well, and select, and there. No, we have to move it. Select again, move, and that is the door. So for the entrance we need a double door. So what you need to do is, let's highlight the entire block, and let's copy it. Just select anywhere as the base point, just copy it away, and so let's copy it twice. We need to, one it would be enough. Enter, and then let's mirror. Select mirror and select object. So be sure to select every block, every object that consists of the door, and press enter. So specify base point, and now you specify here as the base point, and you take it this way at 90 degree. Be sure this is at 90 degree, and press enter. erase source object and say no. Another thing you have to do is to erase this. So select this, and you can just say E and press enter and it's gone. So we have to convert this into blocks. So you can do that by coming to this block tab, and you can see here that says create block. You click on it, name it as door 1. So you come here and say select pick point. You select here as the pick point, and then select object and select the entire object. Make sure everything is inside and press enter and press OK. And now this is a single block. You can just move it with right here instead of picking it individually. So same applies to the rest, the same procedure. So repeat the same process for these two. Come here, create block and specify the name. Let's do for the second door 2. Select pick point and select display and select object and select the entire object. Make sure none of the windows is included and press enter and OK. So now this is a single block as well. Repeat the same procedure for the window. Come to the create block. This is window. Select pick point. Select here. Select object and select everything and press enter and OK. So now we can move our blocks, our doors and windows to our drawing. So to do that, you just need to click, come here, and from this pick point select it and just drop it. As you can see, I dropped it here, but it appeared here. This is because of the object snap. It automatically snapped to the center of that line. So while inserting this, it is advisable, if it's giving you so much trouble, to turn off the object snap. But you can also just come and along this line drag it to the extent where you want it and release it. So this door should be facing outside. So let's rotate it. And enter. But this is now sticking outside. So let's move it as well. Select the move. Select this and there we have the wall. So select this internal walls, select, let's drop it here at the middle. So select as well and drag. So we need to copy, press enter and select where we want to copy from. Let's copy one to this for the kitchen, one for this room. Just drop it here and press enter. So we need to rotate this one as well. Select rotate, specify base point and just give here and turn around till it's at 90 degrees. So let's move it inward. Select the move, drag it till it gets here. Now this should be facing inside as well. Let's rotate it. Okay, we need to move it inward as well. So we need to trim all this excess line as well. So you can just come back to the trim. Don't forget to press enter when you select the trim tool. Zoom palm in, and now you can just open this window and select both of this line, and bam, they are gone. Zoom in here, select, repeat the same here. There's also a line here that needs to be deleted. Keep going. And for the final door, and there we have it. Press enter.